Okay.
Huh.
I love garlic. I never made garlic paste before.
Where does this even come from? Is this like a... Oh.
I think I know how to do this.
This is something I kind of know how to do.
Okay.
Get this guy out.
Peel it.
Shake them.
Smash it as hard as possible.
Then the skin just comes off.
What is this? Looks like robot.
The ShamWow guy taught me all about these.
It doesn't work. Oh my gosh, I broke.
The garlic press.
I have no clue what I'm doing over here.
My mom used to always do this.
And then mash it. That's what I would do. Okay, I'm gonna put it here.
I'm just gonna,
Uh-oh.
Luckily, I'm very strong, so this is very easy.
This makes me feel like a medieval doctor or something. If I were on Game of Thrones, I'd be half naked while I did this.
Garlic is actually great for your cuticles. Scoop that out with your finger. Making food and get a manicure at the same time.
I'm gonna chop this up really fine. I would also add a bit of salt to this.
That'll start breaking it down and giving it that paste-like consistency.
Well,
Just keep going like that until it kind of gets mixed into a paste.
Whoever thought home ec would come in handy.
Okay, so I'm just going to remove the clove here from the head. First thing I'm going to do is cut the root off of the bottom. Before even peeling it, I'm just going to take the side of my knife and crush it. That will release it from the peel. For making a paste, I'm just going to give it a quick rough chop. I'm going to use a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to work my way back and forth. The salt acts as an abrasive, breaks the garlic down, and I'm just going to come back and forth here.
I mean, that's like a paste.
No fear of vampires tonight.